My name is Sabah Salah. I'm a physician. I'm a hematologist oncologist from the United States. And I have been having this sciatic pain for about 2.5 years. And after consultation with several physicians, both from the US and from Germany, I thought I'm more comfortable with the care of Dr. Schmitz here at Belitage Clinic. And this is the reason I came here and I did the surgery here. So obviously after the surgery it was painful, and that's expected from a surgery of this magnitude. I was taken to the recovery room where my pain was taken care of, and then to my room. The staff was very attentive. Thanks for all the staff here. They would immediately respond before you even push the button. They're here. So this was great. In particular, they pay attention to the pain and helping the patients. Then the next day, even the first day, actually, I was able to walk. Probably 3 or 4 hours after the surgery, I was able to walk. And then the next day, I walked even more, and the third day, even more. First, I would advise to take time. And really, I mean, it's always, in a case like this, it's always been a chronic problem. It's not, sometimes it's acute, but most of the time it's a chronic. So take your time, talk to people, and see who is the physician that really convinces you. I thought Dr. Schmitz, really, with his relaxed way of speaking, his openness, and the fact that he's always willing to speak, I thought he was really probably my best choice. And I have no hesitation to recommend him and recommend the clinic to anyone with similar problem as mine, or some other neurologic disorders or orthopedic disorders. I think this is an excellent place to be. The care is top-notch, and I'm sure patients will do great here.